Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a new drive sprocket on your chainsaw. My new sprocket comes as a kit. It includes the clutch drum with the sprocket attached, a new bearing, the washer, and a new retaining ring. The first thing I need to do is apply some grease to the bearing. I'll apply the grease to the bearing, making sure I work it into each of the rollers, and then place the bearing onto the shaft. I'll place the sprocket onto the bearing, install the washer, and secure everything with the new retaining ring. To install the chain, I'll first place the bar back onto the saw. As I install the chain, I want to make sure that the cutting teeth are pointing towards the rear of the saw on the bottom of the bar. Now I'll pull some tension onto the chain and reinstall the cover. I'll loosen the tensioner and then place the cover onto the saw. I'll reinstall the bar nuts, but I'll leave them loose at this point. Now I'll tension the chain, and as I do this, I'll lift up on the end of the bar. I'll tension the chain so that I can still lift the chain away from the bar, but I don't want to be able to lift it so that I have a gap between the teeth and the bar. And that seems pretty good. Now I can tighten up the nuts. At this point, the saw is ready to use. The chain is going to stretch as we use it, especially a new chain like this. So after the first few minutes of using the saw, I'll turn it off and check the tension on the chain, and I'll likely need to tighten it. And then I'll periodically want to check the tension as I use the saw. And that's how you can install a new drive sprocket on your chainsaw.